Hello, my dear students. This is Raman Rana here, your mathematics teacher, Cambridge International School, Dasua. Yesterday we have taken first 6 questions of exercise 12.3, and today again we will discuss some of the questions. Question number 6, exercise 12.3. Here one circle is given with the radius 32 centimeter and a design is made here. So we have to find the shaded area here of the design. So here we have the radius of the circle is equal to 32 centimeter, and here this point is A, this point is B, and this point is C. And here it is given that triangle ABC is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle. So here we have to find the sides, the length of the triangle sides AB, BC and AC, which are equal. We have given if O is the center of the circle, so here OA is given. OA is 32 centimeter. So we want to find the side of the triangle. If we want to find AB here, we will apply the properties of a circle. We will take here a midpoint M and join O with M. So here we know that in equilateral triangle, angle A, angle B and angle C, they are all 60 degree each. So here this angle is of 30 degree and here it is 90 degree. OM is perpendicular to the chord AB. So by applying trigonometry here, we can find first AM, and AB is twice of AM here. So here we can find that AM upon AO. If angle theta is 30 degree, so base upon hypotenuse is equal to cosine of 30 degree. And we know the value of cosine 30 is equal to under root 3 by 2. So here we want to find the value of AM here. So AO is 32. So we will find AM is equal to under root 3 by 2 into 32. Now we are not interested with AM, we are interested with AB. So AB is twice of AM. So here AB is equal to twice of AM, that is under root 3 upon 2 into 32. So here we have 32 under root 3 here. So value of AB, the side of equilateral triangle sides are 32 under root 3 centimeter here. Now to find the shaded area, here we also know the area of equilateral triangle ABC is equal to under root 3 upon 4 into side here is 32 under root 3 whole square. Area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 into side square. Side is here AB or BC, AC, all three sides are equal. Now the required area, shaded area here is equal to area of the circle, that is pi r square, minus area of this equilateral triangle. So here the required shaded area is equal to area of the circle, that is 32 square, minus area of equilateral triangle, that is under root 3 upon 4 into 32 under root 3 into 32 under root 3 here. So here we'll put the value of pi 22 upon 7 and 32 into 32, that is 1024. 32 into 32, 1024, and here minus under root 3, 4, 16 into 16, that is, because here 4 will, it is 16, 256 into 3 here. So when we multiply here, so here 2 4s are 8, 4 0 2, 2048. So we have 8 12 5 2 2 here. So multiplying divided by 7, it is 22528 divided by 7 minus here we have 18, 15 plus 1 16, 5 plus 1 6 under root 3. So this is the required shaded area. This is in centimeter square. So here what is the shaded area? Shaded area is equal to area of the complete circle, that is pi r square. R is 32 here, 32 into 32, which is 1024, minus area of equilateral triangle. Area of equilateral triangle here is under root 3 upon 4 into side square. Side we have find with the help of trigonometry here. To find the side AB, we have chosen the midpoint of AB. Let this midpoint is M here. We have joined O with M. Now we have a right angle triangle OAM. So here equilateral triangle, all angles are 60 degree. So this angle is OAM is 30 degree. So here AM upon OA is equal to cosine of 30, and we have substituted the value of cosine 30 under root 3 by 2. So OA we have multiplied this side, and we are interested here to find the side AB. AB is twice of AM. So substituting the value, we have the side of triangle 32 under root 3, and we have this shaded area is equal to 22,528 upon 7 minus 668 under root 3 centimeter square. Question number 6. The shaded area here, a small mistake here in the calculation. This is here 22528 upon 7. Here it is 18, 5, 15 plus 1 16, and 1 carry, that is 7 under root 3. So I have written earlier 668. So actual answer is 768 under root 3 centimeter square. So please check it. Question number 6, 12.3. Here earlier I have not taken the carry here. I have written the answer 668 under root 3. Actual here it is 768 under root 3 centimeter square. So this is the shaded area in case of question number 6. Question number 7. Here a square is given with the side 14 centimeter. Let A, B, C and D are the vertex point of a square, and we have 4 circles with having A, B, C and D as their center, and here the figure is given. Each circle is touching the 2 other circles out of the remaining 3 circles, and here in this question we have to find this shaded area. So here This ABC, what is given? A, B, C, D is a square with the side AB is equal to 14 centimeter. All sides AB is equal to BC is equal to CD is equal to AD. All are 14 centimeter. So here the radius of all these circles is half of AB, that is 7 centimeter. Now we have all these part, these are the quadrants. As we know, the all angles of a square are 90 degree. So in this case, our shaded area is equal to area of the square, that is side into side, minus, when we add all these four quadrant, one fourth of the quadrant, this quadrant is 1/4 of the circle, because theta is 90 upon 360 is 1/4. This is the area of the one quadrant. So when we add all four, so we have the area of a complete circle, that is pi r square. So r in this case is 7 here. So here question is very simple. Side of the square is 14. 14 square is 196, and the value of pi we will use 22 upon 7. So this is further equal to 196 minus 22 upon 7 into 7 into 7. R square is 7 into 7. So here we have 196 minus 154. So here 42 centimeter square. So shaded area is 42 centimeter square. So this is a very simple question here, in which we are subtracting the area of a circle from area of the square. So I hope you are clear with this question. Question number 8, 12.3 is very important question. So here, as picture is given in the textbook, you can guess here what is it. All sportsmen, they will give its answer very quickly. Yes, it is a track, athletics track. So here a track is given in which the distance between two inner parallel lines, this is given 60 meter. From here, the distance, this distance between two inner lines is 60 meter. So it means the radius here, if it's a center 30, so radius of this semicircle is 30 meter. Also, the width of the track is given 10 meter throughout. Means this distance here is 10 meter. The width of the track is 10 meter. So here we have to find two things here. First is to find the distance along the inner track, the total distance along inner track. So here it is given the straight distance here is 109 meter, means the distance from here to here, this distance is given 109 meter. 109 meter. So first part, we have to find the complete distance along the inner track, and second, we have to find the area of inner track. Find the area of track, whole track, inner track. So you have seen the track, synthetic track also. If we want to find the area, we will find in the same way, and it is a standard one. So here, first, if we start from this point and start traveling up to here, this is the semicircle. So here, one semicircle from this side and one semicircle from this side. This is, so total distance, the distance is equal to pi r from this side, pi r from this side. Here, the radius half of 60 is 30 meter. The radius of these two semicircles is 30 meter. So the distance here, this distance from here to here, this distance is 109 meter plus pi r. Semicircle, the circumference of semicircle is pi r. Pi is 22/7. So adding both together, one semicircle from this side and one semicircle from this side, it will make a complete circle, one from this side, one from this side. So here we have 2 pi r, pi 22/7, and r is 30 here, plus again 109 meter. So the total distance of the inner track, if we start running from here, from this point, and start running along the inner track, so this is a circumference of semicircle, then a straight 109 meter, again half curve, and completing again 109 meter. So this is total distance along the inner track. So here we have 109 plus 109 is let me check, it is 106. Sorry, this distance is 106 here. So 106 and 106 here. So 106 is 212 plus here 44 into 30, that is 7. 44, 4 3s are 12, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. So taking LCM, we have 7 2s are 14, 7 1s are 7 plus 1, 8, and 7 2s are again 14 plus 320, 1320. So here the total distance along the inner track is 40. It is 7 plus 1, 8, and it is 2 meter. Distance is always in meter, whereas area is in meter square. So here if we go on dividing, although this is the answer here, approximately it is 400.57 meter. So for just your remember this is a track of 400 meter, a standard track. So the distance along the inner curve is 2804/7 meter. Now the second part, that is find the area of a track. So we have this shaded area, this is a rectangular part, and we know the area of a rectangle is length into width. So width is given, width of the track is 10 meter. So the area of second part, the area of a track is equal to, we have two such rectangles. The area of one rectangle is 106 into 10, width is 10. So here area is 1060 plus 1060 plus, now we have this circular part, one from this side and another from this side here, right? So here these circular parts, one this side, this is a one circle, and this total area is area of a ring. To find the area of a ring, we will take pi common, and here r2 square minus r1 square. So in this case, r1 we know 1 is 30, this distance is 30, and this distance is 40, 10 more. So here we have, this is 2120 plus the value of pi is 22 upon 7, and here r square, 40 into 40 is equal to 1600 minus 30 into 30 is 900. So here we have 2120 plus 22 upon 7 into 700. So here this is 100, and 2120 plus here 700, it is 100 only. So the answer here is 0. We have 2, 3, 4 meter square. So the area of the complete track is 4320 meter square. So dear students, this is a very important question and easy one. So you have to understand the figure here, that this distance is 106 meter here, and the width of the track is 10 meter. First we have find the distance along the inner track, which is near about 400 meter, because the standard track of 400 meter, and then we have find the area of the complete track. So we have divided the figure into portion, one a rectangle and another is the area of a ring. So this is all about the question. Here question number 9, a diagram is given here. In this figure we have to find the shaded area. In this circle, AB and CD are the diameter of the circle, and it is given that AB is perpendicular to CD, means all they are 90 degree, here 90, 90, 90, and here one more circle is drawn with DO as a diameter, and also given here that AO is equal to 7 centimeter. If AO is 7, then AB is 14 and CD is also 14. So here we have to find the shaded area. So shaded area is equal to area of this circle plus area of this semicircle minus area of this right triangle. It is a right triangle ABC, but here we can find its area with AB is the base and OC is the perpendicular, because it is given AB is perpendicular to CD here. So I hope you are clear with the question. Here the bigger circle whose diameter is given 14, because AO is given, AO is 7, so AB is double of it, and DO is again 7, so radius of the small circle is equal to 7 by 2, which is equal to 3.5 centimeter. So here we have the shaded area is equal to area of the smaller circle, that is 22 upon 7 into 3.5 into 3.5 plus, this is the area of the smaller circle, plus this shaded area is equal to area of a semicircle. Area of a semicircle is 22 upon 7, half of it, into the semicircle here, R is 7 into 7, pi r square. Half means semicircle, minus area of this triangle ABC, which is half into base is equal to 14, and here height is 7. This triangle ABC, AB is the base and OC is the height. So area is half into base into height. So here we have, this is 7 here, 1 7 with 1 7, and it is 11 here. So we can, 7 ones are 7, it is 0.5, and 0.5 into 22 is 11. So we have 11 into 3.5 plus this area is equal to 77. 11 into 7 is 77 minus 49. So we have 3535. We have 3535 is equal to 385. So here it is 38.5 plus here 49. When we subtract from 77, we have, this is 8 and 1 carry 28 here. So here we have 0.5, 8 8 is 16. So here the shaded area is equal to 66.5 centimeter square. So area is always in square units. So here unit is centimeter square. So let's again recapitulate. A big circle is given. AB and CD are the diameters, and it is given that AB is perpendicular to CD, and AO is given 7 centimeter. So it means AO is equal to OC is equal to OB is equal to OD. So shaded area is equal to area of this smaller circle whose radius is half of 7, that is 3.5 centimeter. So area of this circle plus area of the semicircle minus area of a triangle ABC. So here we find that area of the shaded portion is 66.5 centimeter square. Question number 10. Diagram is given here, and it is given that ABC is an equilateral triangle and its area is given. So here the area of triangle ABC, which is an equilateral triangle, is given 0.5 centimeter square. So area of this equilateral triangle ABC is 17,320.5 centimeter square is the area, and three circles with the center A, B and C are drawn in such a way that they are touching the midpoints of these three sides of the triangle. And here we have to find this shaded area, and it is given in the question that use the value of pi is equal to 3.14 and also the value of under root 3 is equal to 1.73205. So here it is given we have to use the value of pi and under root 3 as given in the question here. So here, to find the shaded area, we have to find the area of these three sectors. To find the area of sector, we know the angle of equilateral triangle is always 60 degree. So here we also know the area of equilateral triangle formula is under root 3 upon 4 a square. So here we need to find here the sides of triangle ABC. So we will first find the side and the half of the side. If we will find first side AB, and after AB, half of AB is the radius. Half of AB is the radius. So first step, so here the area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 side. Let AB is the side, AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, whole square is equal to 17320.5 here. So this further implies that A whole square is equal to 1732. If I am removing the point, and here under root 3, 4 will go up, and substituting the value of under root 3, that is 1.73205. So here after decimal we have 1 to 5 digits, so we can 4 5 here. So 1 0 with 1 0, and this will cancel. So we have AB whole square is equal to, so here it is 40,000. So taking under root both sides, this implies that AB, or the side of the triangle, is 200. 200 into 200 is 40,000. So this implies that radius R of the circle, these three circles, is having the radius 100 centimeter. So the radius of these three circles is 100 centimeter. Again, it is given area of equilateral triangle, that is under root 3 upon 4 into side square is equal to 17320.5. It is given. Substituting the value of pi 3 point, we are not taking pi here, under root 3, that is 1.7325. So here AB square is equal to 40,000, AB is equal to 200. So the radius is half of AB, that is 100 centimeter. Now to find the shaded area is equal to area of a triangle, that is 17320.5 minus, we have three sectors, so we will multiply with 3, that theta upon 360, 60 upon 360, 1 by 6, 1 by 6, pi 3.14 value, and R square 100 into 100, 100 into 100 here. So this value 7320.5 here, this is 2 ones are 2, so here 5 7, so here we have 15700 when you multiply by 100 into 100. So after subtracting, here we have 0.5 0 with 0, and this is 2 here. 13 minus 7 is 6, and here 6 minus 5 is 1. So here the area is 1620.5 centimeter square. So this shaded area is 1620.5 centimeter square. So I hope you are clear with the question. Let's recapitulate again. Here we have given ABC is an equilateral triangle, and we know the area of equilateral triangle is under root 3 upon 4 into side square, and we are using here the value of pi, that is 3.14, and under root 3 1.732.5. It is given in the textbook. So first we have find the side. The half of side is the radius. Shaded area is equal to area of the triangle ABC minus area of these three sectors. So angle here in this case is 60. So formula for a sector is theta upon 360 into pi r square. R is 100, pi 3.14, and we have three such sectors. So we are multiplying with 3. So we have 3 into 1.1 upon 6 into pi r square. R is 100 into 100. So we have the answer here 1620.5 centimeter square. So dear students, I hope this question is also clear to you. So we have now remaining a few questions of exercise 12.3. Go ahead. In next video we will go for these questions, and with this we will complete our chapter 12, areas related to circles. So go for the calculations again and again. Questions are simple. Calculations, it is an art you have to learn. Thank you very much. Stay blessed.